country and the sunshine of the country, which also brought some quite strong winds to southern areas. In fact, gusts as high as 40 miles an hour in Guernsey in the Channel Islands. And tomorrow those tight ice are still over much of southern England, while the area of high pressure slips a little bit further northwards. It's still there on Friday, but we have to look towards the east to that front there, which will bring strong winds as well as some quite unsettled weather during the course of Saturday as that front crosses the country from the east. Now, we've already got a warm front over eastern parts of northeast England at the moment, with some quite lumpy cloud around, and that cloud is thick enough to give us the odd spot of light rain or drizzle throughout this evening. But for the rest of us, it's going to be dry and bright with a fair amount of sunshine. But that sunshine turning into clear spells during the course of tonight, allowing a few mist patches to form in many central parts of England and Wales up through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, perhaps even with the odd fog patch by tomorrow morning. But we will see some cloud pushing in from the east into many central parts of England, and that cloud is actually going to save us from a ground frost like we had last night. In fact, near the clear spells down in the southwest is probably where we're going to see the touch of ground frost. Further north, it's going to be much milder, particularly in Scotland, temperatures between 5 and 7 degrees under that cloud. Tomorrow, rather misty and quite cloudy down through many eastern coastal areas of Scotland and England, but it will be dry and brighter, particularly up through western areas. But for the south and the southeast in particular, it's going to be a far more cloudier day than today, although there will be some brightness around, with the best of the sunshine once again in southwest England, Wales and parts of western Scotland. Here, temperatures up to around 14 to 16 degrees, but really quite cool down that eastern side, temperatures at best around 11 degrees. Now, once again, it's going to be quite windy down in the southern half of the country. The wind's coming in from a chilly direction, the east or northeast, up to around 25 miles an hour. But as we head further north, the wind's really quite light over Scotland and Northern Ireland. On Friday, it's an east-west split, the driest and brightest weather in the west, but much windier, cooler and mistier weather in the east, with some showers for the southeast, with also some gales as well. And that's it. And the